look at you and it's easy to see.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Manish Kumar of class 8 and in this video I am going to explain you about simple interest. So without any further, let's get start this video. So here the word comes simple interest, as this word is form of two words, simple and interest. So firstly we will see that what is interest. The certain money or amount paid is called interest. Means a borrower borrows a money or amount. Money or amount are the same. Borrower borrows a certain amount of money. So if he will borrow the money, he have to pay certain amount of interest in addition with the money. For example, if I am a borrower and I borrows 100 rupees, so I have to pay the interest. So I will pay him 10 rupees extra for taking his money. Then simple interest, which is if the interest on a certain sum borrowed for a certain period is calculated uniformly, then this is called simple interest. Means if we borrow the certain amount of money from the borrower, then we should have to pay this money in a fixed period of time, then this is called simple interest. The simple interest is denoted by the sign SI, and the formula of finding the simple interest is principal into rate into time upon 100. In short, we can say SI is equals to P into R into T by 100, which means PRT by 100. So here you have listened the word principal, rate and time. So let us discuss about principal, rate and time. Firstly, principal. The amount of loan involved in the transaction is called the principal. For me, it means that if we borrow the loan from any of the bank or if we borrow money from our friend, then it is known as principal. Second is amount. When the interest is for a specific period of time is added to the principal, then the sum is called amount. It's very simple. If we borrow the principal, means the sum of principal and simple interest is amount. Here is the formula. Amount is equals to principal plus SI. Remember, principal is denoted by P, time is denoted by T and rate is denoted by R. Next is time period. The time for which the principal is borrowed. It is very simple. For how many years we have borrowed the money is known as time period. Then the last is rate of interest. The method of borrowing and lending the money is known as rate of interest. As the word suggests, rate, which means any of the percentage. Rate is calculated on the percentage per year or the percentage per annum. For example, I have borrowed money which is 100 rupees, so 100 is the principal, only 4% per annum or per year. So here we will have to pay rupees 4 every year extra. That is known as rate of percentage. So now let us understand about the formulas of SI, principal, rate and time with the help of examples. So firstly, let's understand about the formula of simple interest. So the first example is find SI on an amount of rupees 6,535 at the rate of 10% per annum, or you can say per year after 6 years. So here we will apply the formula of SI. SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. So here we will see our principal is 6,535. Our rate is 10% and time is 6 years upon 100. So our SI is 3921, which is our answer. Now our second question is that how can we find the principal? Find the principal obtained on an amount of rupees 8,376 as the SI on a certain amount at 8% per annum after 6 years. So we know the formula of principal. Principal is equals to SI into 100 upon time into rate. So our simple interest is 8,376. Then we will multiply it by 100. Then our time is 6 years. And rate is 8%. Answer is 17,450. Our question number 3 is that how can we find the rate of percentage per annum? So let's see it. The interest on rupees 15,000 in 3 years at SI is 5,400. Then find the rate percentage of per annum. So as we know the formula of rate, SI into 100 by P into T. So our SI is 5,400. Then our interest, we will multiply it by 100 and principal is 15,000 into time, which is 3 years. So our answer is 12% per annum. By using this formula, we can find it. 4 is in what time will interest on rupees 3,000 at 5% per annum be rupees 600. So we will use the same formula here, which is time is equals to SI into 100 upon P into R. So our SI is 600 into 100 upon principal, which is 3,000 into rate 5%. At last our answer is 4 years. Then our next question is that how can we find the amount? A woman borrows a sum of rupees 3,000 and returns the amount after 1 year with SI of 8% per annum. Find the total amount she returned. As we have to find the amount, so we know the formula of amount, which is principal plus SI. So firstly, as we all know, principal is given here. We will firstly find the SI because this is not given here. So SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. Principal is 3,000 and rate is 8% and time is 1 year upon 100. So we will get 240, which is our SI. Then principal means amount is equals to principal, which is 3,000 plus SI, which is 240. So 3,240 is our answer. So I hope from this video you all have understood about simple interest, principal, rate, time, amount and so on. According to this, I am ending this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploaded video and meet in next video with another interesting topic. Thanks for watching.